I'm Holly Lawrence and this is Eddy Lawrence, and we're MTR Mobile Transport Repair in Colorado Springs, and we're members of PeakMed Life Centers.
We signed on with PeakMed just over 4 years ago, and we were in disbelief that something like this existed.
We can cover all of our employees for less than what we were just covering our family with high deductibles and high premiums.
PeakMed is a phenomenal solution to small business owners for the sheer value of it, and the scope of service you get is like none other we've ever experienced. Our employees are blown away by the life centers. They love the doctors, they love the facility, they love the time spent with them. They come back and they say, I can't believe the level of care we get.
Biggest value is knowing that we're able to take care of them and giving them the highest quality of care and availability to care without costing them money. You can get right in, and you're not waiting because you don't want to pay a deductible. So you're not waiting till you get worse and worse and worse before you finally decide to go in because of a fear of the cost.
Healthcare is important to me because we need to be able to offer a competitive rate in the marketplace where there is none. And for a small business, it's very difficult to be able to be competitive with benefits to our employees. And we searched for a long time before we found PeakMed.